Hello guys, I'm in Neelam Valley, Azad Kashmir, Pakistan. I'm walking from Dawarian to Keran. You can see lush green area, even it's autumn, and bottle green color of river. This is a very scenic place, a narrow valley in lower Himalayas. It takes 6 hours from Islamabad to reach here. Islamabad is capital of Pakistan, and from there you can come here. It will take you 6 hours. Um, road condition is good up to half of the way, but from there on it's rough on places. This area is very close to nature. This area is thinly populated, and after every few kilometers we have some village. This river serves as a borderline between India and Pakistan on some places, like here in Keran. This side is Free Kashmir or Azad Kashmir, and other side is occupied Indian Kashmir. So now literally I am walking on a border. This border is called line of control between India and Pakistan. Both sides of river, this village is called Keran, and one part of it is in Pakistani side Kashmir and another is in Indian side Kashmir or occupied Kashmir. Keran is a very touristy place. This is end of October and you can see still it's so much greenery in here. This is Keran rest house area, and you can see these are apple trees. These apples are still on tree, nobody plucked yet, even in winter is approaching.